Hey y'all, my name is Melina or Mel, what the fuck, whatever you know me by. And in today's video, I'm basically going to show you how to get this hairstyle. I'm starting to post every 3 days if you haven't noticed. But anyways, if you like this hairstyle and you want to know how I achieved it, then keep on watching. I wore this hairstyle today and I thought it was so cute. So in my head, I'm just like, you know what? I need to record this shit because this shit is cute as fuck and I need to share this hairstyle with everybody. So this is going to be a middle part. Well, I think I'm going to bring the hair videos back before I lock my hair. Ooh, that's going to also be a video. But anyways, we're going to do a middle part, which my hair is already parted in the middle, y'all. I'm gonna have to come on this video one day when I like freshly washed my hair so y'all can see how curly my hair really be. Cause when I tell y'all, it be so fucking hard to lay this shit down. And I don't even have thick hair. It's just I'm tender headed as fuck. Let me tell you though. There's a lot going on in this video. Okay. After you part your hair in the middle, you gonna have, let me take these edges out so we can so it can be kind of realistic. Okay, after you part your hair in the middle, you got your hair down in the middle, stuff like that. You're going to come in with your Eco. Now, I don't even use this purple Eco. Try something new, and I don't even know why I was trying to try something new. Because this do not lay my hair down for real. It really just curl it up. You're going to obviously gel your hair down. Now, before you do that, you're going to also part your hair in the back so you can have the back part of your hair out because that part is going to be curly. I was trying to start my locks, so if this side of my hair is longer and not really curly, that is why. Don't judge me. Yeah. So I am going to use this mirror and my mirror that's right here to part my hair back, which it should already be parted, to be honest. It probably is. You're going to make it as straight as possible. I think my hair is already straight. But anyways, you're going to part your hair in the back. Let me see. This is how straight it's going to get. I'm not going nowhere, so baby, I don't give a damn. And I don't give a damn. I'm going to try my best for y'all, though, because I want it to look cute, though. Because it was cute as fuck earlier. I made certain pictures right here. That shit was cute, wasn't it? It was. Okay, so then you're going to take a bow. I don't know why this bow got a rubber band attached to it. That's not it. Okay. You're going to take a bow. And with that part that you just parted out, you're going to put that shit in a ponytail. Because you ain't going to use that anymore until the end of this hairstyle. So then what you're going to do is get your brush and brush your hair fucking down. Okay? Gel your hair down into a ponytail. However way you want to do it. And boom, 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 boom. And like I told y'all, my hair, it don't take a lot to lay down because I have really thin hair. Even though it looks thick, or I don't even know if it actually looked thick right then, but I be looking like I have like 4C hair to me when I blow dry my hair out. But my hair is not even 4C, and it's really thin when I flat iron it. So it really just depends on what form my hair is in at the time period. My hair is really curly too, though, and it's not really giving the curls that it's supposed to give right now because I've been playing in my hair all day. So then you're going to take a bow, which this is the only bow I got right now, which is attached to this rubber band. So I'm not going to do that. So what y'all should do is go to get a bow. What I'm going to do is use this bow from back here. And you're going to put that in a ponytail. Put your hair in a ponytail. Now what I like to do, which I'm not going to do now, only because I'm not going anywhere. So I don't want my hair to be hard. And I'm also about to wash my hair anyway. What I like to do though, because my hair is soft, like I said, I like to put Got2b glue and spray it on there and just lay it like this. Like do this with my hands, spray Got2b glue, use my hand just so I can get it in the position that I want it to, if y'all understand. And this is the ponytail. So then we're going to do my edge. To put a scrunchie on it because it's just cute and it gives it some type of color just like that. You don't even have to like do nothing else, just so you can see the scrunchie on it. This is what I was trying to put my locks in, y'all. It wasn't working for me. What I'm gonna do is put water on my hair. I'm not gonna put too much water because, like I said, I don't want to drench my hair or nothing like that because I'm about to wash it. But I'm basically just drenching that so it can be curly. Y'all already know if you have hair, or if you're a girl, if you're a curly hair girl, you already know that you put water in your hair so you can curl it up. Okay, put some water in my hair and I'll be right back. Like I said, I didn't want to put so much product on my hair, but I'm gonna use this. Like I said, what I would do with the Got2b glue is just lay it just like this on my hair, just so it can be as flat as possible. And I'm just gonna take a brush and brush it down so it can be like shiny, you know, give it that shine that it's supposed to give, looking all healthy and black. Okay, so my edges, my hair is not really that curly because, like I said, I was playing in it, but that's the best I'm gonna give y'all today. I'm gonna also do a different hairstyle, like this hairstyle, but a different part, so y'all gonna actually see it for real. So then after you do that, all you're gonna, I think I put my ponytail a little too high. So you're gonna make your ponytail as big as possible. So pull it out your ponytail. All you gotta do is pull your hair out the ponytail or stretch it out the ponytail. You're gonna do like this. On the scrunchie, halfway on the scrunchie, halfway past the scrunchie, and halfway on the ponytail. And then you're just gonna do this. Make sure it's comfortable, and then you just move the ponytail down and out, just like that. And then this is the hairstyle. It's my regular. I'm talking. And this is the hairstyle. I think it's really, really cute. It came out really, really cute. My hair not even long for real. So this hairstyle is short hair friendly. It's obviously long hair friendly. This hairstyle is cute. I highly recommend. 10 out of 10. Like, comment, and hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share all y'all friends, and I'm gonna see you guys next video. Bye.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one